Hello everyone, my name is Rina and I have been teaching the English language for last 10 years. In this video, I want to address different business structures that do exist abroad, and perhaps you have wondered what's the difference between LLC, LTD and PLC. Basically, the difference lays in different legal systems. So let's start with the United States of America. LLC means Limited Liability Company, and it's basically the most common structure for small and medium-sized businesses. Owners are protected from personal liability and taxation is flexible. Corporation, a larger, more formal structure that's often used by companies that plan to raise investment or issue shares. Then in the UK, LTD, Private Limited Company, the most common company type for businesses. Owner's personal liability is limited to their investment. And there is PLC, Public Limited Company, a company whose shares can be publicly traded on the stock market. I hope this video was useful and that now you understand, that you have better understanding of these structures. They are not that complex and some of them are similar to ours. If there are any other questions, please just let me know. See you soon in the next video clip. Bye bye.